YouTube, I'm Crystal of crystalsewsandstuff.com. Welcome back to the channel today. So today I have a quick fabric and pattern haul that I wanted to share with you because I've been picking up a few things. So here we go. So I wanted to start off with the fabric. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is the fabric that I picked up from Nicole Elise Fabric. She's a new fabric company, and I found out about her from Marcy Harold from Una Baluna, her Instagram page. But anyway, and I've been following Nicole Elise as well on Instagram. Anyway, she just started a new fabric company, and I picked up 2 items from her, and she sells these in bundles. So I picked up a 4-yard bundle of this beautiful purple crepe. It has these very large flowers on it, and it is beautiful. And I checked, and she still has this on her site. So it's a really beautiful deep purple with lilac purple flowers and lavender flowers on top. So beautiful design, and I think I'm going to make a dress or something with this. I'm not sure. And then the next thing I picked up from her is this beautiful rayon challis. It is gorgeous. It has kind of like an animal crocodile kind of print on it against a red background. So it is so pretty, and I think I'm gonna make a top or a dress with this. I believe I got 3 yards of this. So those are the 2 fabrics that I picked up from Nicole Elise Fabrics. And so the next things that I received this one I received from Love Notions, and it's from Hearts Fabrics. So Love Notions, they did a blog post on the Love Notions ambassadors' favorite places to shop, and one of my favorite places to shop is Hearts Fabric. And so I was given this beautiful Art Gallery rayon fabric. It's called Art Gallery Piccadilly Sunset, and it is so pretty, and it has these beautiful little floral prints with leaf prints. So it's perfect for the fall. And I'm thinking I'm gonna make either a Rhapsody top with it, or a Rhapsody blouse. I mean, a Dolman blouse, a Melody Dolman blouse with it. So this is really pretty and lightweight and flowy. So I can't wait to work on that. So that'll probably come sometime in October. And then the next fabrics that I picked up are some wax prints from House of Mami Wata. So I've been seeing a lot of people order fabrics from House of Mami Wata, and I've never ordered anything from her. So I decided to go ahead and try out her fabrics, and I picked 2 beautiful wax prints. So the first one that I picked is this beautiful, it has this leaf print. It's like big giant leaves and kind of like mountainous flow on it, and I just love this print. It's just gorgeous. And so that's the first thing I picked up, and I picked up 6 yards of that. You can order it by 1 yard or like a 6-yard bundle, and I got the bundle because I'm not I think I know what I want to make with it, and that'll be coming up. I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking about making with it. So, and then the next thing that I picked up from House of Mami Wata is this beautiful leaf, red and white leaf print fabric. So, it's gorgeous. It has like a gold foil to it. So, it's just beautiful. So, I'm thinking about a skirt with this one, but I haven't decided yet. So those are the 2 fabrics that I picked up from House of Mami Wata. And then the last thing that I picked up were some fleeces from Joann's, because I had to go and get some thread. And these were from the remnant section. And so this first fabric is like an animal. It has like the woodsy look, and then it has deer on it. So I'm going to be making a sweatshirt for the boys with these. So, and then I picked up this fleece to go with it. So I'm gonna use these two fabrics together to make them a sweatshirt. I don't know if I have enough to make for both boys, but I do want to go ahead and make them some sweatshirts. And the pattern that I'm going to use is called the Vanguard kit, and it's from Love Notions Patterns, and that is the $5 feature pattern for today. So it's on sale today for $5, and this pattern comes in size 2 to size 14 for boys, but a lot of their children's patterns can be used for boys or girls. So because, you know, up until, you know, they hit puberty, they can the clothes are pretty interchangeable. But it comes with a sweatshirt pattern with options for color blocking as well as cargo pants. So I do want to make the boys some sweatpants. Not sweatpants, the top, a color block top with these prints for with the Vanguard kit. So that is those are the last fabrics that I picked up this month. And so recently, because some of them I got before now. So those are all my fabrics that I picked up. And so now let me tell you about the patterns that I picked up. Okay, so next up I wanted to share with you the patterns I've received recently. So the first two patterns I wanted to share with you are from my friend Heather from Texture Tailored Thoughts here on YouTube and Instagram. And she was doing a D-stash, and so she sent me two nice patterns. So the first pattern is this Simplicity 8788. That's the real number. This is just the display number. And it is a really cute pattern with an off-the-shoulder style top, as well as some long sleeve options right here. And I love that it has the side tie ruching option right here. It's a really cute pattern. So I'm thinking about doing something and maybe a sequin for this one. So that was my thought with this pattern. And then the next pattern that she sent me is Simplicity 8700. And it has options for basically an overshirt, as well as you could kind of make it like a jacket. And then there's also a peplum style as well. So those are the two that I've received from my friend Heather. And then the last two patterns I wanted to share with you are from a new pattern company called The Pattern Preacher. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their patterns, and so I said yes. And so these are the two patterns that I picked up from them, and they're both rated as for adventurous beginners. So the first one that I received from them is the Gabby dress. And this is a gorgeous dress pattern with an off-shoulder detail. You know, I like off-shoulder things. And then it has long sleeves. And then it also has darts, waist darts in the front and the back as well. So, oh, well, they look more like pleats in the front. So this is a really cute pattern that I received from the Pattern Preacher. And then the next thing that they sent me was the Eloise jacket. A cute crop jacket. Really cute. And it has options for pockets on the back. And it has some back darts. Really cute pattern with a curved neckline detail that I like. So I'm looking forward to making these. These should be coming up sometime late September, early October for these two patterns. And they were kind enough to send me a 20% off discount code for you all. And so I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link right here and in the description box for you to take advantage of that discount. And the discount is for 20% off of patterns as well as non-branded fabric. Plus they have free shipping with their patterns, and they ship worldwide. So these are the two patterns from the Pattern Preacher that I'll be working on pretty soon. So I'm really excited about sewing those up. Anyway, and I'm thinking about, for this one, this is the match I'm thinking about doing together, these two. I think this would look so cute in off-shoulder, off-shoulder dress. So I'm thinking about pairing these up and maybe extending the length on the skirt portion if I have enough fabric. I should, because I have 6 yards of this. So I haven't decided on which fabric I want to use for this one, because I haven't decided if I want to do a solid or if I want to do a print. But anyway, I'll be working on that soon, and you'll see what I decide with this one. But this is really cute, this Eloise jacket. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. And if you're thinking about getting the Vanguard kit from Love Notions, be sure to check it out today because it's on sale for $5 for today only as the feature Friday pattern. So I advise you go ahead and check it out if you're interested, because it'll be a great pattern for boys for the winter. And girls, because a lot of the patterns, even though they're either for boys or girls, can be unisex and work great for both boys and girls. So anyway, I wanted to share all of these fabrics and patterns with you today. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Coming up next, I do have, I'm going to be sharing my trench coat pattern review from Le Maison Victor, as well as a new pattern release from Love Notions, and a fun collaboration. All right, thank you so much for checking out the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.